Hey, good Saturday morning to you. Snow Umberly here with the UAH Department of Atmospheric and Earth Science with our Rocket City WeatherFest student weather briefing for today. Today is Saturday, March 20th, 2021. It is also the first day of spring. The spring vernal equinox happened earlier this morning, about 4:37 this morning. But of course, meteorological spring happened just a few weeks back. And of course, as we all saw on Wednesday, spring is certainly in full swing, if you will. It's in full gear with all the severe weather and the flash flooding that we saw back on Wednesday. Unfortunately, temperature-wise, we're not going to be feeling very spring-like today across the region. We'll still be a few degrees below where we should be for this time of year. But thankfully, though, since we are at this point in time, the only way we can go as far as temperature should go is up, and we'll certainly be feeling that as we go into the next couple of weeks and months. So taking a look this morning at the visible satellite picture, and I know it is the visible satellite picture, so this was taken this morning, so as the sun comes up, you'll see the clouds start to appear. Not much happening across parts of the United States. We're pretty quiet weather-wise, and we certainly like quiet. We did have some cloud cover across parts of southeast here. We did have a surface trough that came through last night. It did bring us some rain, some shower activity. It was moving from east to west, and we saw that happening east to west overnight last night. That cloud covers back to the Mississippi Delta, back towards Arkansas along I-40. We do have high pressure in control of our weather. That high pressure system is back onto the north and to the east, and that system is stretching all the way down towards the south. So that's going to keep our weather fairly nice and dry for not only today, but all into the weekend. But you notice that we do have some activity here, some cloud cover across parts of the northwestern United States. And that's because we do have a low pressure system there. That's bringing some rain, some precipitation across that part of the world. That's not going to be impacting us anytime soon. And you'll see that on the radar picture here in just a second. Here is the composite radar information across the entire United States. And again, we're all quiet. All this, of course, is just ground clutter across the various National Weather Service X-ray radar sites. You might just be able to pick out that precipitation we saw last night with that surface trough. But again, pretty quiet as far as the weather goes. And again, there's that rain that we were just talking about last night across parts, well, not rather last night, but today across parts of the northwestern United States, Washington State down to Oregon, because of that low pressure system coming inland. So taking a look at the surface maps for today, valid for Saturday, there's that surface map, surface trough rather. Again, it's moving westward, but again, all's quiet. There's that high pressure system again, keeping our weather fairly nice and dry. And you can see all the activity here in the northwestern United States. We will be watching though out west on Sunday. We'll have to watch. There will be a system coming in to the east that could bring some rain across the parts of the Midwestern United States. That could also bring some thunderstorms for those folks as well. There is a level 1 risk across parts of southeast Oklahoma for tomorrow. We're not expecting any severe weather with that system as it heads eastward towards us, but we'll be watching it. We do have to watch these systems as they come eastward, these low pressure systems, especially during this time of the year. We might have some rain perhaps late Monday into the middle part of next week. We'll be watching that system again, not expecting any severe weather. So locally for today, forecast high today, we'll be in the low 60s for today. We'll have clear skies, light winds, and at sunset tonight will be 6:58 p.m. tonight. So that's your Rocket City WeatherFest student weather briefing. We hope you enjoyed it. We'll be back again tomorrow with a wrap up. Until then, this is Snow Umberly signing off.